So all of you, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. So let us talk about Power BI. Have you all installed Power BI in your system?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But some students actually messaged me that they want an introduction installation session. So I'll be taking this session, right? So moving on to Power BI. Power BI means it is a business intelligence tool. Here BI means business intelligence. Okay. Business intelligence in the sense that here we will take the data set, we will clean it, convert it into proper data format, and after that we will do visualization and we will make some dashboards and reports. Okay, that is what is Power BI will do, right? Now, actually, regarding Power BI means Power BI desktop. Okay, it is the application where we can do visualization. Okay, if you're having an Excel sheet, please, all of you, please tell me if you're having an Excel sheet, a very big Excel sheet, okay, very big data set. Are you able to tell that in which column, which value is the highest? Is it possible?
No,
In
ma'am.
one look itself? All of you. Is it possible that you can tell within 1 second by seeing the Excel sheet, which you can't see completely itself because it is having many records? Is it possible that you can identify which value is the highest in a particular column, or regarding to column, what is the relation? Can you identify?
No, ma'am.
No, but if you're having a dashboard like this, then easily you can find various things like which value is highest. It will show like in this chart you can see this is the top value corresponding to this graph, right? So like this you can understand things very easily within one look, isn't it? Okay, so that is the basic use of visualization. Also one more thing, more than text, actually image will speak thousands of words, right? Instead of one word, one image will speak thousands of words, right? So picture has its or a particular chart has its own importance in industry, in academics, a lot of organizations, it is having its own importance, right? So that is why we will go for visualization. Is it clear to all of you why visualization is important? Guys,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
respond. Yeah. So regarding Power BI, there are some tools. So these are those tools. First of all, Power Query. Power Query is basically used for some basic data cleaning process where you are able to transform complete data. You can delete some unwanted columns, rows, and you can change the data types. Lot of things you can do. Okay. Then regarding Power Pivot, it is basically data modeling process where you will connect two tables which are somehow related with each other. Okay, there will be some common column within them, and you may be able to connect them. Like in SQL, there is something called primary key and foreign key. Here also, primary key and foreign key exist. That I will tell you in data modeling session. Okay. Now, next one is Power View. See, there are many charts available in Power BI. There are 250 plus charts in Power BI. Okay. So, according to the data that you are dealing with, you can use them accordingly, right? Now, moving on to Power BI service, it is the actually very secured way of sharing your files, your dashboard to the organization. Okay. It is a paid one. It will cost you around $10 per month. Okay. So here in this classes, we will be talking about this Power BI desktop and corresponding Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View only, not this paid thing that is Power BI service. Okay. So see, this is the facts regarding Power BI. Sorry. So Power BI was designed by Ron George in summer 2010, and its name was Project Crescent. Okay, in this graph that is below here, you can see that in 2010, the Power BI was created by the name of Project Crescent. Then it code name changed to Denali, and after that, it was renamed as Power BI for Office in 2013. And in 2015, we got the Power BI that we are using today. Although it is upgraded, in every month, Power BI is getting upgraded. So every month you have to upgrade your Power BI after installation. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, see, moving on to the importance of Power BI. This is actually the Google Trends. Okay. So from 2015, you can see that the number of searches regarding Power BI is increasing, right? So it is very high right now. So that is the importance of Power BI through Google Trends, you can see, right? Now, rest of the features are like you are able to use 1200 functions in Power BI. Like in Excel, there are some numerical function like if, switch and all. Here also some DAX functions are there that you are free to use. Okay. Now, there are 280 visuals available in Power BI like pie chart, donut chart, bar chart, stack column chart, ribbon chart, funnel chart. Lot of things are there. Okay, that you will know later. Now, regarding the expense, Power BI is the one of the least expensive tool. Regarding Tableau Public, it is free, but Tableau Desktop is a paid one and it costs around $70 per month. So it is 7 times more expensive compared to Power BI, right? And also one thing that it can accept data from 100 different data sources. 100 data sources in the sense like your file may be Excel, CSV, text, or JSON, SQL, that kind of 100 types of files Power BI can handle. Okay. So, and one more thing, last but not the least, that is Gartner company recognized Power BI as the most, I mean, the most top BI tool. Okay. So this is the link regarding it that I want to show you that how it is the top one. Okay. See here in, okay, wait. Here in 2000 and wait a second now. 2017, Power BI and Tableau were actually competing with each other. So Tableau was actually slightly better than Power BI, right? Regarding this Gartner's quadrant. Okay. Then this is regarding 2017. Regarding 2020, you can see the difference. Okay. Microsoft means Power BI itself. It is a Microsoft product. Okay. So Microsoft Power BI is performing far better than Tableau. Okay. Now in 2021, you can see the difference. It is comparatively more better than it's the position that it is having in 2020. Okay. Like that, it is improving its position year by year. Is it clear to all of you? This is Gartner's quadrant showing that which BI tool is better. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So regarding the installation part, I will actually share this PPT with you so that you may be able to do it by yourself. Okay, first of all, what you have to do is that you have to go to Google search. Okay, there you have to type Power BI, right? Then this particular link will come. Okay, that is powerbi.microsoft.com. You have to click over it, right? After that, this page will come where like regarding Power BI overview, product pricing, those things are there. Okay, now you have to click over products. Okay. After that, a drop down will come here. You have to click over Power BI desktop, right? Then this particular page will come. If you want to change the language, then you can go with this C downloader language option. Otherwise, you can go with download for free. Okay. Then this page will come. Here you can see you can actually select the language that you want. Okay. English is okay for all of us, like we are used to it. So better you go with English itself. Okay. Then after that, you have to download it. Okay. You have to click over there, right? Then what will happen? It will move on to the next page, right? Then there are two options, like for 64-bit system, you have to choose this top one. This top, this checkbox you have to select. And if your system is 32-bit, then you have to select this checkbox. Okay. So that is the thing for 64-bit, the top one, for 32-bit, the bottom one, right? After clicking those, you have to click on next, right? Since my system is 64-bit, I have selected the 64 only. Then I have moved on to the this next command box. Okay. Then this page will, here you can see the, this is the downloaded file, right? Then double click over it as you do to actually install any software. The same way, double click over it, then this page will come. Okay. Then you have to click over next, right? Then again you have to click over next. Then you have to mark this checkbox that I accept the terms in the license agreement. Okay. After that, this next over here will get activated like this. Okay. Then you have to click over next, right? Then this is the path where Power BI is getting downloaded. If you want to change, you can change. You can take another path in C drive itself. Okay, then click on next. After that, you click on install, right? Then it will start copying new files regarding Power BI. Okay, after everything is copied, this particular dialog box will come where finish tab is there. You have to click over it. Okay. Then Power BI will get installed and this particular page will come. Okay, you have to close these two things, right? Then this page will occur, that is Power BI desktop, right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to check whether our Power BI is the upgraded one or not. Those who have already installed Power BI in their system, please go through this process. That is, there should be transform data option available. If it is not there, then your Power BI is an older one. Okay. And also one more thing, there is one filter pane over here, right? This one. Okay. If this particular filter pane is not there, then also your Power BI is older one. So you have to upgrade it, right? It is better you upgrade it every month. So how to upgrade it? For that, you have to go to files. Okay. Then in files, you have to choose options and settings. Okay. Then here you have to choose options. Okay. After that, this page will come. Here you have to click on preview features. Okay. Then you have to select the checkboxes that you want according to your wish. Okay. Then you have to click on OK. Okay. Like that, upgraded Power BI will get upgraded Power BI you will get. Is it clear to all of you? Any doubts
Yes,
regarding it? No, I guess. Okay. I will share this PPT in the drive link and I will share that drive link to you. Okay. Then it will be quite easy for you. Also, I will upload some CSV file, Excel file, and cheat codes and formula list in that particular drive so that you can easily go through Power BI. Okay. And also for next classes, it will help you. Right. So that's it. Now Let us go through Power BI. This is the Power BI, shortcut created. I will click over it. Okay, it is coming. So this is your Power BI desktop. Okay, close it. It is not required right now. Okay. So now how to install, how to actually import a particular Excel sheet in this Power BI. Let us see that. Okay, for that you have to you have to move to this get data. Okay, click over there, right? Okay, now you can see Excel workbook. Lot of options are there like CSV, XML, JSON. These many files actually Power BI can accept. I told you now that hundreds of data sources it can accept. This is the list of those data sources. Okay, so I'm taking this Excel workbook only. Okay, just click on connect. Right now, what I'm doing is I am going to this downloads there. Indian states and districts are there. It will help you for your task one. Okay. This concept will help you for your task one. So listen it carefully. I'm going to tell you how to create some charts. So here load is not activated, right? In order to load this particular file. So what I will do also, I have to do some modification over it. So I'm clicking over this checkbox. Then this data set is coming. Like here you can see in the first row, there is something like um, some particular site name is there, then null. Okay. Then this column is completely null. Guys, please tell me if a column is completely null, is it useful for you?
No, ma'am.
No. And is this row useful for you? This first row? All of you please.
No, ma'am.
No, it is not required. So we have to eliminate this row and this column, right? Also here you can see the column header is somewhat like this: for update, list, visit, column 2, column 3, column 4. Is it appropriate? All of you please tell me.
No, ma'am.
No, we should have state, district and state type as column headers, right? Isn't it? Isn't it, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are going to do those changes. So I should not go to load. First of all, I should go to transform in order to change it completely. Okay. There you can see Power Query that I told you right now that it is a Power BI desktop tool. Okay. So I'm going to transform data. Now you please concentrate over here. Power Query editor is written over here, right? This is the Power Query page. Now you have to eliminate unwanted things. Like this column is unwanted, right? Now if there is something valuable in it or not, in order to check that, you have to click on this inverted triangle. Okay, here you can see only null value is there, right? You can check out others also, like in this particular column what are different values, like state type and union territory, as well as null is there. Okay, right? Now in this case different districts are there, like nulls is also there, like Adilabad, Agar Malwa, Agra, Ahmedabad, Ahmednagar, like that. Okay, so like that. Here different state names and union territories are there. So this, since this is having only null values, right, nothing else. Okay, this will show you unique values that this particular column is having. So since it is not having anything within it, I'm going to delete it. Okay, for that, what I have to do is that I have to go to this particular column. Then I have to right click. Okay, then there is one option called remove. You click over this remove. That is got removed, right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
See, if you are pressing this control Z, will it get undone or not? Please tell me, anyone who know. If I am clicking over control Z, will that column again will come or not? It is not possible. See, I am clicking over control Z, it is not coming. Okay, here in this side you please concentrate. Right side, okay, applied steps is there. Their removed column is coming, right? If you want to undo that particular process, you have to click on this cross mark. Okay, now it came, right? Is it clear to all of you how to undo things that you are doing in Power Query?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to remove that particular step from the applied steps. Okay, since I don't want it, I'm again going to remove it. Okay, now what is the issue is that this particular column is having some unwanted, this particular row is having some unwanted values. So for that, in home there is one option, wait a second, there is one option called remove rows. Okay, I'll click over here. Okay, now there is one option called remove top rows. Okay, when I will click over there, it will ask how many top rows. Okay, number of rows. I will click on, I will enter one, then I will click on OK. Now that first row got deleted. Is it clear to all of you that how first row got deleted?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, great. Now, what is the problem remaining? What is the problem with this data set right now? Anyone, please tell me. We discussed it earlier.
Ma'am, instead of for update list visit,
Yeah,
the attribute should be state, district, and
state,
state
district,
type.
and state type. For that, there is one option in home itself, that is use first row as headers. Okay, you have to click over it. Now it became like this. Okay, this is the option, use first row as headers. Okay, over here. On clicking this option, what will happen? That state, district, and state type will become the column headers. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, now you can see only state and union territory is over there. Okay, different districts are there. There is no nulls. Okay, okay, different states are there. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Sometimes some null may occur. Okay, if it is affecting a lot, then you should remove it. Okay. So there is one more thing, like if some errors are there, you can remove them. Like in remove rows, there is one option called remove errors, and there is one more option called remove blank rows. That is mandatory, you have to apply it. Okay, so now everything is clear. Now we can upload it. Okay, so for that, what you have to do is that you have to click over close and apply. Okay, close and apply. Right now the changes are getting applied. Okay, here you can see it is getting loaded. Now the complete table will occur over this field pane over here. Okay, right, every rows got loaded. Now you can see, yeah, this is the table. Okay, the table name was sheet. If you want, you can change the table name by clicking this three dots. Okay, I'm clicking over it, rename. Everyone, please tell me what should be the name. What is the appropriate name that I should give here? Anyone? Any name that that comes in your mind that I should give here? Okay, nobody is
State
responding.
detail.
Yeah. You were saying something?
State details.
State details. Okay. State detail. Sorry. State underscore details. Okay, like that you can change the name as per your wish. Okay, the name got changed. Now when you will click over this drop down that is here, that is over here, you can find different columns. Okay, these are different columns: district, state, and state type. Alphabetically it is arranged. Okay, Now, if you want to view that particular table, this is report only. Here you will make the report. Okay. And this is data. Here you can find that table. When I will click over here, I'm going to get this table. Okay. It will come. Okay. Now you can see. Okay. So this is regarding model. If you're having multiple tables, you can connect them. For that, this particular option is used. Okay. Now we are talking about this table only. Here you can see, like for Uttar Pradesh, different districts are there, isn't it? Okay, we are having only 10 minutes more. So in Uttar Pradesh, different, I mean, these many districts are there. How many times Uttar Pradesh is getting repeated is the number of districts it is having, isn't it? Do you all
Yes.
agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Number of times Uttar Pradesh is getting repeated is equal to number of districts in Uttar Pradesh, right? That's why it is getting repeated that many times. Okay, right? Up to this. Up to not Sultanpur, it's up to Varanasi. It's up to Varanasi. Okay. So here also alphabetic arrangement is there. Okay. We don't know how many districts are there. Do you know? By seeing this Excel sheet itself, do you know how many districts are there in Uttar Pradesh or in any other state? Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not possible. Although you are a human computer also, but then also each and every records is not visible in a single view. Na, you have to scroll down like this. Okay, but if you're having a visualization chart, in seconds you can see, right? Because it is shown there. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is that I'm going to make some charts in which it is clearly visible, right? So let us take a donut chart. This is donut chart. Okay, I'm taking this chart. You have to go over this visualization here in add visuals. This is the option called add data to your visuals. Okay, here you can find many charts. Okay, I'm taking this donut chart, right? No, instead of donut chart, if I have taken this donut chart, and if I want to change, I can go with this bar chart also. Okay, I have to simply click over it. It will get converted to bar chart. Okay, now what I want is I want the number of districts in a particular state or union territory. For that, what I will do is, this is the state. Okay, in this particular column, state data is there, isn't it? State. Name of different states and union territories is there in this particular column. Okay, so what I will do is that in x-axis, the name of state should be shown, right? That is how we will make bar chart now. So I am taking this is the state column. I will click over it, I will drag it to this x-axis. Okay, now it is getting loaded over here. Now I want number of times a particular state is appearing in y-axis. That will actually tell me that how many districts are there. Okay, so for that I will take this district and I will put it in y-axis. So automatically, instead of not district, state itself, I will put it over y-axis. Okay, so automatically the state will become count of states. Now you can see Uttar Pradesh is the top one. It is having highest number of districts. Is it clear to all of you? Now you can say now Uttar Pradesh is having highest number of districts. Okay, clear?
Yes,
When
ma'am.
you will move your cursor over here, you can find the number of districts it is having. That is 75 only. Okay. The name of it is count of state by state. You can change that also. So this is your visual, right? Now, in order to make some changes in this visual, what I will do is that I will go to this format your visual option. Okay. Now I am having some options over here. Since I am not having values of districts over each bar, I have to move my cursor over there, then only I am able to find. So for that, what I will do, I will make this data label on. Okay. When I will make this data label on, you can see that number of those districts are appearing over each and every bar. Is it clear to all of you? Are you all able to see it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is how you are able to make it, right? And if you want to change the name of the title also, that also you can do in this format itself. Okay. So seen. Also in case of grids, you can make changes. Okay. This x-axis and y-axis titles also you can change. That is possible. Okay. So you can see over here in x-axis, if you want to change the size, you can do. Okay. Here you can see the size is getting bigger. Okay. Sorry. So like that, you can change the size, you can make it bold, you can change its color also, like I'm making it red. Okay. You can do different changes. Here title is also there. Okay. Automatically title is coming. State is okay with x-axis, right? Now I'm not making any changes regarding y-axis. Here also you can do some changes. Okay. You can make the size of this values bigger, right? And regarding title, you can make some changes like number of districts. Okay. NUMBER. Right. Clear everyone. Now number of district is appearing over here. Right. Like this, you can see do some changes. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, regarding grid lines also, you can make some changes that, regarding all graph, we will discuss tomorrow. Not all graphs, some basic graphs we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, you can make it solid also. Okay, since color is very dull, I am making it black in color. Okay, now it is very much visible. Okay, like that, many things are there. You can try on them one by one. Okay, so this is how you will do. Regarding y-axis, x-axis, grid lines, lot of things are there. You can change the column colors also. For that you have to make it on, and you can change the color. Like Uttar Pradesh, you can make it some pink color. Then this you can make some black color. Okay, like that you can change the colors also. Okay, between if you want spacing, if you want to change the spacing, you can change the spacing between them. Okay, like this, right? This is regarding data label, then plot of area. So for that, wait a second now. Okay. You can put some images over here. Like if you want to put some image like some shop image. Okay, like this you can do. Is it clear to all of you, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So we will discuss rest of the graphs like pie chart and donut chart also. Okay. Like regarding donut chart, you can do the same. Okay. This one. Right now I'm putting state over here in legend. Okay. Legend means this one. Okay. By using different colors, it will show you different states. Okay. I'm going to put the state type, so not state type, sorry, state itself in values. Okay, it will show the percentage. Right? You can see the percentage over here. Like violet color belongs to Uttar Pradesh only. Okay, it is having the highest percentage. 75 district, 9.8 percentage from the total. Okay, so this is what is donut chart. You can make this donut chart as pie chart also. You can take anything that you want. Since donut chart is looking better, I am going with donut chart only. Okay. Now regarding map, okay, only 1 minute is left. So we'll meet tomorrow. Okay. I will tell you about maps also. right? Let us see.
Ma'am.
It is possible, I will tell you. Okay, regarding state, you put state in location as well as state in legend. You can see the change. Okay, different states are actually shown in different color. You have to take this fill map for that. And you have to put state both in location and legend. You can find different states in different color. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, rest of the things, I mean, like for different charts, I have to explain, and I have to explain you some other things like this